What it do? Yeah, we're gonna practice a lot of new intros here in 2025. I'm gonna be pumping out videos, so just bear with me. If it gets a little bit cringy, but we're gonna go over Nike stock today. A lot of people have been asking me, yo, two terms, you think it's a good buy at 73.31? You think it's gonna bounce back up to 100, 160? You think it's gonna drop down to $50? I've seen a lot of people saying it's gonna go into the 50s, that this company is dead, this and that. So we'll go over it. Um, You could see Nike, the 52-week range is between $70 and 107, which is a massive, massive difference. So we'll go to the 1 year mark. They're down 31% on the year, and only down 3% in the last 6 months. But yeah, if we look at the all-time though, or let's just go to 5 years. If we go to the 5 year chart, they were trading at over 170 in 2021, which is insane. They had a lot going on during COVID where they wanted to switch completely to direct to consumer online, and they wanted to cut a lot of their deals off with like Foot Locker and retail stores like that. Again, I have no idea what I'm talking about, but yeah, that is something that they're trying to get away from. They've got a new CEO and they're trying to go back to in-store sales as well because people love to go shopping. Ask your wife, ask your mom, ask your girlfriend. They are going to spend $120 on shoes. Even though all these rough times and all this, people are still going to spend money on shoes. So we look here, we look at their earnings per share, um, zero point 0.7. We're hoping that they're going to keep beating expectations. And even though that they're beating their expectations every time, they are not, you know, getting that rally that they're looking for. So analysts right now, according to Yahoo Finance, some people think 50 is a fair value, some people think 120, and the average price target is $86.30. Take that with a grain of salt. Um, yeah. If you ask me, like I said, I don't know what I'm talking about. I really like Nike. I think I don't really like it, but I think Nike is like a legacy brand, kind of like Coke. Yeah, there's a lot of competitors to Coke, and they probably aren't going to grow their stocks as much, but people are still going to always drink Coke, in my opinion. I think people are always going to get Nikes. I think a lot of retails, there's like a lot of fads, so things go in and out of style. Stocks go up and down. Obviously, this is like a historically bad time for Nike. But yeah, so to show you what I mean, I've recently been adding Nike to my portfolio, and I guess I am an idiot because we're already down 5%. Well, whatever. We have 32 shares, 2.6% of the portfolio. Let's scroll down here and use some of this Robinhood Gold. Check out that Robinhood Gold video. Tell you if it's good or bad, by the way. But let's look at the how people have been trading it. So on Robinhood, a lot of people have been buying towards the beginning of the month, and then they had a massive sell-off on Christmas Eve because people are getting their Christmas money. Then people are more buying now. So let's look at hedge funds. Hedge funds have been buying Nike up the last couple quarters. Pretty much, yeah. And insiders, not too much going on. A lot of sells there. Not too many shares though, so not a big deal there. If we scroll down, I'll show you that I've been buying Nike a lot recently. Let me see. So let's go inside the brain. So starting from the beginning of December, I got 10 shares at 78.86. Then I got another 5 shares 2 days later. Then I'm like, ooh, let me get another share. At an even lower price. Went up, got another share, another 2 shares. Got another 5 shares at $78. Then it dropped down even lower. Picked up 3 shares at 73, 2 shares at 72, and 2 shares at 75. Which brought us to 32 shares. So obviously I've been buying a lot of Nike. Um, I would not be surprised if they go back over 100 by the end of 2025. It's my opinion. And I'm hoping to get about around 50 shares if I can, if it stays in this price range. But we'll see. Um, we'll quickly go over to their dividend history. Where's it at? So each share pays you $1.60 per share, right? So that's really not bad. And a 2% dividend yield. And we'll look at their dividend growth history here. So we'll go down, let's say 10 years ago, right? So the end of 2014, they were paying 28 cents a share for a dividend, and now they're up to 40. So not quite double, but you know, you're getting a decent little return every year. Not bad, 5%. So it is a growing dividend. They have managed to increase their dividend every single year. Not too sure what happened here in 2015. I think they or 2012. I think they had a stock split actually, and that's why you see the number go down. I could be wrong though. Let's fact check that live in the video. Nike stock split history 6 times. Oh, in 2015, 2-to-1 split. There you go. So somewhere around that time they had a stock split. Anyway, um, how do you guys feel about their competitors? Let's take a look at Adidas. Obviously, I can't spell that. Okay, we got lucky. Adidas at 120. Let's look at the 5 years on Adidas. They are not doing that well either. I know a lot of people were saying that they were doing great. I guess they've been doing good in the past year or so, though. They're up 20% on the year. Um, is this something that you think is better than Nike right now, Adidas? I'm not sure. I personally don't think so. Um, but yeah, let's go back to Nike. Let's just stare at the chart one more time as I think of an outro for this video. And yeah, let me know if you're going to be buying Nike stock, if you think it's dead, if you're bullish, if you're bearish. Um, if you like Nike, if you're a shoe head, let me know your favorite shoe. Is it the LaMelo 2? Is it the Jokic 4? Is it the Jordan 1s? Is it the Mezzi for all my soccer fans, the Mezzi 4s? For all the NASCAR fans, is it Bubba Wallace 2s? You know what I mean. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, if you actually made it this far, please give me a like. If you could subscribe. We're trying to hit 600 by the end of March. 600 subs, so 60 more. We're at 540 right now. Hopefully we don't lose any more. And yeah, if you could leave a like, I'd